Let's talk about your relationship with yourself. Now, what does it mean to have a relationship with yourself? आप बोलोगे कि रिलेशनशिप तो बाहर दूसरे लोगों के साथ होता है, right? I mean, you need to have two people to really have a relationship. My own relationship with myself, what does it mean? Let's understand that. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are new videos published here every day. So, what does it really mean to have a relationship with yourself? बहुत बार सुना होगा कि relationship with self, how is your relationship with yourself? But सही मायनों में इसका मतलब क्या है? So I want to share my perspective, my experience of actually building the relationship with myself. So I want to maybe basis that define or give a shape and form to what does this really mean. Okay. So जब हम बोलते हैं relationship, right? अगर हम किसी भी और इंसान के साथ रिलेशनशिप को डिफाइन करते हैं तो उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं? दो लोगों का होना ज़रूरी है, राइट? और आप सामने वाले के साथ किस लेवल पर कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, कितनी क्लोजनेस है, कितना आप रिलेट कर पाते हैं, राइट? हाउ वन डू यू फील विद द अदर पर्सन? ऑल ऑफ दैट डिफाइंस हाउ क्लोज knit, how deep, how meaningful that bond is, that relationship is, right? तो जिस तरह से आप सर्व कर रहे हैं सामने वाले को उस रिलेशनशिप में, वैसा ही वो रिलेशनशिप होगा, राइट? और उसके बहुत सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, बहुत सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, कितना आप वहाँ पर किस तरह से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, that defines your relationship, right? How much time you're devoting defines your relationship. How you're talking to the other person, the language that you're using, which comes as a part of communication, will define your relationship, right? How much time are you spending to set a context for the relationship? Like, if you're really serious about a relationship, तो आप कुछ भी, थोड़ी सी भी अनबन होती है, आप बैठते हो, दोबारा अपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट को रिवाइव करते हो या नया कुछ क्रिएट करते हो, बिकॉज यू डू नॉट लाइक दैट डिसहार्मनी, राइट? All of these things define the relationship, right? Same way when we are talking about your relationship with yourself, आप एक ही हो, लेकिन I want you to really look at it as two people, two parts of you, if I have to say. कुछ भी नाम उसको आप दे लो, आप उसे अपना inner self कह लो, core of who you are वो कह लो, your authentic self जो सच में आप हो वो कह लो, your inner child वो कह लो. अलग अलग किताबों में अलग अलग लोगों से जब आप सुनेंगे, अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव्स जब आते हैं, तो हम नाम अलग देते हैं. That doesn't really matter. जो ज़रूरी है वो ये है कि आप अपने आप से भी कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, राइट? आप अपने आप को कोसते भी हो, अपने आप को प्यार भी करते हो, तो and that impacts you as an individual, doesn't it? आप अपने आप से कैसे हो रहे हो वो इम्पैक्ट करता है. तो which means that you look at yourself as two entities, two individuals, okay? Just for a, I would say, for a perspective, for an understanding, right? And this you is actually talking to your inner self. This you has a relationship with your inner self. जैसे बाहर के रिलेशनशिप में हार्मनी अगर नहीं है तो आप डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हो, वो रिलेशनशिप आपके लिए पेनफुल हो जाता है. सेम वे अगर यहाँ हार्मनी नहीं है तो इट बिकम्स पेनफुल फॉर यू, राइट? So I hope you're getting a little flavor of what I'm saying. You may need to sit down and really reflect that yes, there is a me with which I have to have a relationship. I already have an existing relationship. उसको कैसे बेहतर करना है? I'm going to talk about that in another video. But right now, all I want you to get a little understanding of is that you need to have or you have a relationship with yourself, and you understand what does it mean to have a relationship with yourself, right? So I hope you could get an idea, and if you did, please share with me what did you understand from this. Or if you want more clarity, if you have a question that comes to your mind, please put it in the comment box. I would love to answer. But you must understand that the relationship that you have with yourself is the foundation of every other relationship. क्यों हम इस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, क्यों आप इस बारे में इतना सुनते हो, क्यों मैं कह रही हूँ that you need to understand this? It's because जब हम बाहर रिलेशनशिप्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले जो रिलेशनशिप आपके साथ पूरी जिंदगी रहने वाला, you have no choice, by the way. You have choice to have a relationship or discard a relationship outside, with anybody. I mean, whoever it is, right? You may not want to talk to them ever again. You may not want to see their face ever again. But out here, ये एक जना आप खुद आपके साथ हमेशा रहने वाले हो. Therefore, this relationship is at the core of every other relationship. It's at the foundation of the quality of life that you are living. It's at the source of it, right? And hence it's very, very important. If you found this meaningful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.